Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an order on Adidas online. First, open your browser and go to adidas.com. Scroll down and click on Orders and Returns. If your order hasn't been processed yet, you might see an option to cancel right away. But if the order is already confirmed or shipped, you'll need to contact customer service. Click on Returns to find Adidas official customer service phone number. Call the number, provide your order number, and let them know you'd like to cancel the order. If cancellation isn't possible, don't worry, you can always request a return after the item arrives. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel or return an order on Adidas Online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.